Guys, I showed you some of my paper airplanes in the last video of the tour of my house. So I'm going to show you how to make some paper airplanes that I made in there. The first one, I call this one the Pilot. You don't fold it in half or anything because it's notebook paper and it's easier to use. Then you go like this. And then again. And then fold it in half. Stop talking, Dallas. And then you go like this. And then make some wings. And it looks kind of weird, but Dallas, let's test fly it. Put it over there. If you saw that, that's a pretty good flying one. This is the next paper airplane. This I didn't make up. It's called the Dart. Fold it in half like this. And then the part that usually gets people when they're making this paper airplane is whenever they stop right here. But don't stop here. You have to make a wing first, or then if you don't do that, then it won't look good and it'll look a lot different than a dart. Then you pull up these wings and let's test fly it, Dallas. So that's a pretty good one. And then this is the last one. Okay. First, this is the last one. I came up with it, and it's called the Snapper. So, do this. The wings should be uneven. Now, get the triangle and put it down like that, like a little triangle. And be kind of careful when you're making the wings. And then unfold it, and then go like this. Fold it in half. This is kind of hard to fold. It is kind of hard to fold. And it should be. Next, just make some wings, or yeah, wings. And then make a little thing right here and put it under this wing. Hold it, and then it should fly pretty good. I call it the Snapper. Oh, that was a fail. You have to throw it a certain way, like just like forward, like. Well, it's not that. One more time. I'll try it one time, see if it works. Yeah, it worked that time. Okay, now